Everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of mute notifications on the application of X Twitter. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will go down until you find this window of X Twitter, and you will click here. In this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that, you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of X Twitter. Here you can update your app, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.